Hi, this is Gramm here. By the way, I just got back from Hawaii. And today's topic is passive voice in the future. Now, let's remember we use passive voice when the receiver of an action is more important than the doer of the action, or when we don't know who did the action. Okay, so my example is inactive. Scientists will find a cure for cancer. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so in the subject position, we have the doer of the action. Then we have our verb, will find, because it's the future. And in the object position, we have the receiver, a cure for cancer. So, what are we going to do to transform this sentence into passive voice? My receiver is going to come here in my subject position. So, a cure for cancer is first. In this case, for the future, I have an auxiliary will. So this auxiliary is going to come down exactly the same will. Now, remember, I need the verb to be every time I have a sentence in passive voice. So, this is my main verb. This verb is in simple form. How do I know it's in simple form and let's say not simple present? Well, because remember, after modal, your next verb is always in simple form. So, find is in simple form, so my verb be has to be in simple form. And finally, remember that your main verb has to be in past participle. So my verb is find, past participle found. Remember, you have to know your past participles very well. And finally, we have the doer of the action, which is scientist. And remember, we have to use by. So, passive voice for this sentence is, a cure for cancer will be found by scientists. I hope they find it sometime soon. So, passive voice in the future is easy peasy, super breezy.